some more stocks that you should be watching out for. Poonam Sane joins us with the list of stocks that have been buzzing on the back of volumes. Good morning, Poonam.
Well, very good morning to you. Jubilant FoodWorks continued to show really high volumes. Volumes were nearly 6.6 times on a two-week average basis. Stock has gained in yesterday's trade nearly 9% after continuously declining for the last two trading sessions. The company has raised the prices at Domino's chain by up to 7%, and also the company is in talks to bring a few other global food brands to India, and the margins are likely to be seen at 17 to 18% going forward. Also, Deutsche Bank has upgraded the stock from hold to buy with a target price of 1260. Next is Opto Circuits, wherein the volumes were nearly 4.9 times on a two-week average basis. Interestingly, the stock hit a 52-week low yesterday, but again it has closed over 4% up in yesterday's trade. This stock has seen highest volume since October this year and still continues to trade below all DMA. Lastly, it's Cipla, wherein the company has announced its earnings during late evening. Volumes have been nearly 2.3 times on a two-week average basis. The PAT is at 339 crore, which is up nearly 26% YOY versus an ET poll expectation of 368 crores, and the margins have been at approximately 23% versus a 22% YOY. So a little below estimates on the PAT, but seems decent enough in terms of the margins and in line on the sales growth, which is the sales growth of close to 19% YOY. Do keep a watch out for all these stocks in today's trade as well. Over to you.
Right, thanks very much for that list, Poonam. But let's talk about the stocks and news as well this morning. Navneet's here with the latest. Navneet, to start off with, you've got quite a few metal names that we need to watch for.
That's right, Megha. Watch out for JSW Steel and Jindal Steel and Power, as newspaper reports suggest that both these companies, they've got clearance to start mining iron ore and manganese ore in the state of Jharkhand. Well, the Forest Advisory Committee has approved mining in Saranda Forest, and both these companies will now be seeking clearance from the Environment Minister. So that's positive news for both these companies. Do watch out for them. And moving on to Suzlon, the stock was up by 4% in yesterday's trading session. Well, today, Business Standard has reported that the company may sell stake in three of its subsidiaries, which is SC Electricals, SC Forge and Suzlon Energy, in order to prepay debt servicing obligations. In fact, last month only 19 bankers closed the debt restructuring package of about 9,500 crore, and the report suggests that the stake will be sold in this year itself in order to repay the debt. Keep an eye on Suzlon too. And some of the earnings which came post-market as yesterday, one of them is JK Lakshmi Cement. Well, no surprises, bad numbers coming in there, in fact, for the entire cement space. If you look at the bottom line, that was down by 16% on YOY basis, whereas the top line grew by only 12%. And if you look at the margins this time around, they have contracted by almost 150 basis points. The EBITDA has come at about 98 crore. Well, it's the higher freight charges this time around, which were up by 25%, and weak demand and lower cement prices, which have actually dented the earnings of JK Lakshmi Cement. And also Godrej Industries came out with its numbers. Well, if you look at the PAT figure, that was up by over 100%. That is essentially because there was an exceptional item of about 131 crore rupees, whereas the top line this time around grew by about close to 17%. And the margins to increase by about 150 basis points. You'll see Godrej Industries and JK Lakshmi Cement reacting to its numbers today.
Thanks for that, Navneet. And in addition to that, it's NTPC as well that needs to be watched out for today, because the offer for sale is launching. Remember that the government is selling 9.5% stake in the company at a floor price of about 145 rupees a share, and it's about 78.3 crore shares that are on offer. And the offer for sale price is at a discount to the current market price, at a discount of about 4.5%. So brokerages and analysts believe that it is an attractive price. The floor price is pretty attractive, and one could look at investing into NTPC at the current levels.